Blessed day, beloved attendees. So familiar na ba kayo sa ating pa-icebreaker this afternoon? So kung familiar na and gising na gising pa ang lahat, no? Please react heart. So yes, I want to see everyone giving us a heart. So thank you so much everyone, no? So this afternoon, pag-uusapan natin kung bakit dapat bigyan pansin ng lahat ng business owners ang bookkeeping. So excited na ba kayo to discover the importance of bookkeeping? So today, we will uncover the things that you might be overlooking and learn why is it crucial to take bookkeeping seriously. But before that, may mga tanong muna ako sa inyo. So, are you someone who pay your expenses and not get any proof of what you pay for, like the receipts or the invoice? So, sino yung mga hindi kumukuha ng mga receipts at invoice, taas kamay? Or are you someone who gets a receipt pero you don't anymore? Hindi nyo na tinitignan kung ano yung nakasulat doon. Tama ba yung name or even yung mga amount na nakalagay? Or this, are you that one who is overwhelmed by the thought of bookkeeping? And inaasa na lang nila sa mga bookkeepers ang records nila. Tapos sasabihin nila, sige bookkeeper, ikaw na bahala dyan. I'll just pay you a 500 a month. Isn't it familiar? But the truth is, wala namang laman yung books nyo. Or worst, wala talaga kayong books. And you know what? This is really happening. And in fact, we have one client, no? So, bigla na lang siyang iniwan ng bookkeeper niya. And last April, he was having this problem with his annual report. So, as you are hearing this right now, you should remember that you as a taxpayer, you are the one who is solely responsible of your records. Bakit? Because you are the one who's paying your taxes. And you are the one who is required to have your books or records. So that's why you are here and you want to know why bookkeeping is very important, and that's the reason you are here. So before that, let's define what bookkeeping is first. So bookkeeping is the process of recording all financial transactions made by the business into organized accounts on a regular basis. So regular basis, so dapat daw, no, lahat ng mga transaction natin, we have to organize it every day or even in a regular basis. May it be daily, monthly, or quarterly. So yung sinasabi dito na all, meaning lahat ng pumapasok at lumalabas na pondo ng company should be recorded. And every transaction should be taken into. So, whether bayad na or not, no? And the transaction na sinasabi dito are actual transactions. So, yung mga totoo talagang nangyari. So, hindi yung mga parang guess na lang natin, no, kung ano yung mga transaction na ilalagay natin. So, dapat yung mga actual talaga na mga transactions. And of course, you have your supporting documents with it. So, may mga receipts or even invoices. So actually, bookkeeping serves as the backbone of financial organizations within a business. So it provides the necessary structure and discipline to manage financial data efficiently, ultimately contributing to the overall success and stability of the organization. Kaya, kung bad yung bookkeeping, it is one of the primary factors contributing to the business failure. And kung wala ka namang accurate bookkeeping and accounting records, your company is being operated in the dark. Ayaw mo yun, di ba? So, kaya, yung mga bookkeepers natin, sila yung mga responsible for recording, classifying, and organizing every financial transaction that is made through the course of the operations. So, here are some of the many reasons why bookkeeping is so important. So our first reason why bookkeeping is important. So number one, it helps your business stay organized. So bookkeeping is the fundamental aspect of your business success. So ensuring proper organization and easy access to crucial information whenever needed. So kung wala kang bookkeeping, you'll have to deal with the last-minute stress of finding out the figures that can lead to missed deadlines and some small errors creeping through. And I know ayaw nyo yun. And you can't even afford to make any mistakes. Kaya bookkeeping regularly can help you with that. And by doing your books often, staying on top of them, and not leaving them to the last second, you can maintain organized records. And over time, it'll be easier to find the bits of information you need. Second, it helps with budgeting and tracking your business profit and growth. So, bookkeeping is so vital to any business because it makes it so much easier to budget. So, every business, no, they needs a budget, and this budget creates a financial roadmap for your business. And if your budget is in place, you can plan for future expenses for your business to help with growth. And kung wala ka namang accurate and up-to-date books, it's a lot harder to get an accurate budget and puro ka na lang guesswork. But with bookkeeping in place, you'll be able to determine whether or not your company is profitable. So without this knowledge, it is impossible to determine how well or even how poorly you are doing, making it hard to evaluate your performance. And our third point, so it makes tax preparation and tax audit comfortable and efficient. So sino ba dito na kapag bayaran na ng tax and mag-audit na si BIR ay stressed out na at kinakabahan na? Kindly type yes, no, in the chat box. So this is definitely ang mga scenarios most of the business owners. Kaya bookkeeping is very necessary for tax preparation. And it makes you prepared and never experience the monthly, quarterly, and yearly hassle. Plus, when audit comes, you don't have to go with all the unnecessary feelings and face it with confidence that you can comply with all the requirements. And of course, you don't have to waste time searching for receipts or even invoices because everything related to your finances is already arranged and maintained. And finally, you can easily calculate the exact amount of taxes to be paid without missing any deadlines. Because as you know, failure to keep tax updated on time may lead to serious repercussions and huge fines. And lastly, it's a requirement of the law. So under the tax code, no, lahat ng corporations, companies, partnerships, or even individuals, no, yung mga sole proprietor natin, they are required by the law to pay internal revenue taxes. And they shall keep and use relevant and appropriate set of bookkeeping records wherein all transactions and results of operations are shown, and from which your taxes may be due and accurately determined any time of the year. So in short, it is not an option whether you have to keep a record or not. So to recap, take note why bookkeeping is so important because again, it helps your business stay organized. It helps with the budgeting and tracking of your business profit and growth. It makes tax preparation and tax audit comfortable and efficient, and it's a requirement of the law. So once you truly understand how important bookkeeping is, you as the business owner, you definitely will also learn in the process and it gives you peace of mind. So baka sabihin mo ngayon, sige lang, okay lang, maliit pa naman yung business ko, saka na lang ako mag-bookkeep kapag lumaki na si business. So mali. So start right, mas maaga, mas prepared ka for the future challenges of your business. So kailan ka mag-i-start? Kung pagka meron ka ng kakaharapin ng mga problems? No. So some of these, no, yung mga problems na kakaharapin mo are tax audit, tax dues, it could be requirements by the bank, no? So when do you start? When some of these problems arises, so you want, ayaw mo naman, no? So start now and be prepared for the future. And again, my beloved attendees, we cannot emphasize how crucial bookkeeping is for the success of your business. So even if you're not an expert in accounting, getting started and maintaining good bookkeeping practices is simpler than you may think. So actually, you can always find someone to help you do the bookkeeping, but then again, it's your ultimate responsibility to ensure that everything is being properly recorded and tracked. So finding the most qualified person or the team to assist you would be the next step that you want to take now, that you are aware of how important it is for your company to have an effective bookkeeping put in place. So implementing good bookkeeping practices can save you a lot of money in the long run and provide a clear picture of your business financial health. So finally, prioritizing bookkeeping is so essential for the success of your business. So don't hesitate to seek help if you need it, but make sure you as the business owner, you as the taxpayer, you take ownership of your company's financial records and ensure that they are accurate and of course, they are up to date. So I hope you have been learning so far. That's it for me. No, for now, thank you so much everyone for listening and God bless all of you.